Welcome back to Blue's Garden Tips. Making dried pepper flakes. I grow lemon drop Aiji peppers. It's got a medium spice to it. After harvesting, first thing I do is slice off all the stems. And then the next thing you want to do in cleaning them up and prepping is to slice them all lengthwise. And then I remove all the seeds and the pith. Once you remove the seeds and pith, I give them a little wash there too when I'm removing the seeds and pith. Remove the seeds and pith, and then the next thing up is I cut everything up into chunks, not real fine chunks, just smaller pieces. Just makes it easier to get a consistent size for dehydrating. Then everything onto parchment, and the parchment paper is on the drying racks. Spread them out evenly. Try not to have them all touching each other. I just like to give them all plenty of space for the air to get around and let the dehydrator do its task. Then into the dehydrator. And I know the picture says something else, but I actually stopped it pretty quick and reset it. So it was actually 150 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 65 Celsius, and for about 4 hours. 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 hours is the setting I did. I went down and I checked it, and that actually worked out pretty good. Take all the flakes out. They're nice and dried. They don't feel rubbery at all. And then I am going to, if I had my spice grinder, I'd use that. I don't. I'm actually going to use just my knife. Cut them up into fine chunks. Fine powder. Crush it with the flat of the knife. Just keep it going over and over until you get a nice powder. A little bit of flake, but a lot finer than those big chunks you saw when it first came out. A nice flake, a little powder to it. And that's what I use for storing and then use for cooking. Adding it in something when I'm making something. Gives it a little heat. I might try adding some really spicy, just a little bit to it next time. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips.